What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. We're back with the G-SHOCK Street Spirit series, the fourth of its kind, the G-SHOCK GX5600, the King. Let's get started. Let's go. Alright, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. We're back with the fourth of the Street Spirit series, the King GX5600SS-1. Here it is. Here's the box again. The model number, the GX5600SS-1 3221 is the module for this particular watch. Standard box again. You've seen the ones before. They've shared the same box. If you haven't, here we go. Here's an unboxing. 3221 is the module. This one does not have a warranty card. I got gypped. It doesn't matter. It's all good. Here is the tin for this particular model. It's very nice. I like this one. I like the model. I like the colorway. I just personally can't wear it, and you'll see why momentarily. So this one does have cool graffiti pattern on the bottom of the tin. I think it says G-SHOCK somehow on here. I can't remember how to read this. I think it says G-SHOCK. Oh no. SP, right? So it probably says Street Spirit, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. You tell me if anybody knows how to read. Am I doing it backwards? I don't know. So it's got that cool green blue colorway G-SHOCK 10 on there. Very nice graffiti logo. And then, oh, there's the warranty card. I'm sorry, Casio. I spoke wrongly about you. And let's check out the watch itself. Right there. Before we show you that, let me show you the tag on here for the model number GX56SS for Street Spirit, 1 for black. $210 was the retail price on this particular model. 3221 is the module. You can still find this one retailed for a $210 retail price. So here's the watch itself. Show you guys there. This is the King, as they call it. It's been branded the King because it's so damn big, right? Cool colorway, like I said. It has a stone-like resin and gradient blue colorway, and I'll show you that momentarily here as we go. It's got the cool blue, the green there, which has got a gradient pattern, kind of dotted gradient pattern, and it's got the cement-like design. Like I said, they incorporated nice, factored in like this kind of real-life material, wall pattern, brick pattern, cement pattern into these watches, and it made it look like they got graffitied and tagged all over. And that's what kind of this one looks like. It's got that different stone-like resin that's been tagged on, which is pretty cool. G-SHOCK resist and G-SHOCK lettering in white, protection in white, right there. Pretty neat. Mud resist, and then the gradient pattern continues onto the band there. It's pretty cool. Pretty different, I would say. Now, this is a GX56 King. And then you have the, again, oops. You have the tagging on the side there. I don't know if I'm holding this right. You guys tell me. Man, I don't know what is. You guys tell me, what does that say? Someone please help me. Leave it in the comments. 1983 on the bottom of the band there. Brushed metal, stainless steel, band keeper included, as well as buckle. Right there, G-SHOCK logo on the actual buckle. And then you also have the, where is it? There it is. The G-SHOCK resist logo also looks like it's spray painted on the band. The back plate, it is a Mudmaster style, which is robust. It's not a Mudmaster, but it has got that robust Mudmaster mud protection. GX56SS-3221 module. You can see the buttons are encased and protected. Makes them kind of difficult to push, but they're protected from water and debris and mud with that intended purpose. And I said, this is a King. This one is cool though. It is solar powered. It's got a dark negative display with the monochrome digits on the top there. Day of the week, date window, and then you have the 12 or 24-hour formatted time window on the bottom. You got the measurement for low, medium, high indication on the battery level, snooze, alarm, and signal indicators on the bottom left there corner. power save mode also included. 20 bar water resistant. So that's like 200 meter. Pretty nice. The modes here, pretty standard. You have the time window. Push this pretty hard. World time. Alarms. Stopwatch. Timer. And then you're back to your home time. Then with the backlight, show you guys what it looks like. It's pretty bright in here, but let me see if I can show you what that looks like right there. Oh, there you go. It's got a EL light with amp. There we go. After, there we go. It stays on. Pretty neat. Pretty nice design. Like I said, I won't be wearing this model. It's just robust, too big for my wrist. Let's see if I can show you guys. And boom, there you go. Too big for me. If I fall into a pool, I'll probably drown because it's just so big. But if you like nice graffiti patterns, colorways, and you have a big wrist, I recommend it. Could be a big watch for you. Indestructible, built like a tank. This watch will probably outlive you. It's got a solar powered battery, so the life of the battery could probably last you about 10 years with good management if you keep it charged regularly. And this watch weighs 88 grams, so it's a little heavy on the heavy side, but it's such a big watch. It's so robust that it actually transfers across the wrist pretty well. It is 54 millimeters in length, so it's a big watch, man. I just couldn't do it. But there you have it, the GX56SS, the Street Spirit G-SHOCK Watch, the fourth of its kind. Hopefully you enjoyed this series. Till next time, guys, thanks for watching. This is Chicago. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Man, that's big. Peace.
My G-SHOCK, I'm rocking 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 my G-SHOCK.